Hello students, let us find the LCM of 48, 56 and 72 by division method. So solution 48, 56, 72 by division method. 2 into 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 2 into 2 2s are 4, 8 2s are 16, 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Now again 2 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1 is 2, 4 2s are 8, 2 1 is 2, 8 2s are 16, again by 2, 6 2s are 12, 7 2s are 14, 9 2s are 18. Now 2 2 3 2s are 6, 7 9, again 3 1 is 3, 7 3 2s are 3 3s are 9. Now 3 1 7 3 1 is 3. Now 7 1 7 1 is 7 1. Now the factors, the LCM, the LCM is lowest common multiplication of 48, 56 and 72 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. The answer is 1008. 1008 is the answer.